Hi, this is Steve Biggs of Boatshed, Norfolk, on board a Freeman 26. Could do with a little bit of updating and tidying up. Been a long-term use boat for the current owner. Cockpit, all very neat and tidy again. Could do with a clean. Lovely canopy, Bailey and stone. That's in very good condition. Boat doesn't appear in bad condition for her age at all. A few little bits and pieces to do here and there. Mostly tidying up. A bit of varnishing. Very common on Freemans. Unusual layout. But the seating has been replaced with a galley unit. This is very much a couple's boat. One double bed, stroke twin in the bow. Does make it feel more roomy. So the woodwork's looking a little tired. Some of the linings need a very good clean. Running a Perkins 4108 diesel. As a porta potty, there is hot and cold water plumbing should a shower want to be fitted. Woodwork's in average condition. Again, would benefit from a light rub down and sand and varnish. Well, they're quite a spacious boat. Wouldn't take a lot to make this a very, very nice example of the type. Reasonably light project. If you'd like further information on this Freeman 26 from 1970, please contact me, Steve Biggs, at boatshednorfolk.com. Thanks for watching.